Hi guys, this video is about how to make a logo. Last video I showed you what is a logo and how to use it in real life. This video is how to make a logo by your own, and next one will show you how to make using templates. So the first thing you need to do is go to www.freelogodesign.org. Once you log into the website, you have to add your company name and your categories. I'm going to add baby corn. And my will be children. Oh, let me see. Fashion and beauty. There you go. Let's get started. So for now, we don't need these templates as we'll use it in the next video. So what we'll do is we'll close this tab. Here's a blank canvas. What we do is we'll take a text. We'll add a baby corner. Hmm. We'll add an icon of a shirt. We'll change the color of the shirt. Next I'll add an icon. I mean a shape. So I'll add a shape. This shape. Hmm. You can also edit in the items below. Here's a subtitle called canvas. Here is background color, and below that you can see items. If you click on the item you want to edit, you just click on that item like text one. You can edit it accordingly. So what will I do is I will can put it down, like, you know. Perfect. Now what I do is I'll add another icon. I mean a shape again. So this time inside the shirt. Yeah, there you go. Hmm. I changed the color of the lightning bolt. Yeah, there you go. And I will put another shape from inside. There you go. I need to put this little down. I enlarge this little bit. There you go. Nice. Okay. Now what I do is I will send by clicking right click. I will put it an order and send it backwards. Yeah. Once you right click it and you again send it to back. Wow, well done. You can change the back color. I'll make it to I'll make it to green. So the outline will be actually green will not show the outline as it will be covered in the background. As you see, the green outline will be covered when I give the color. Much better. You can also change the background color. Now what I do is I will change the text of the font of the text I've written. I will go for poster. It looks nice, but I will, I'll go for storybook. Very good. This looks much better. Okay. Okay, I will put this little down and some sort of greenish I put. Now last thing I'll put is the background color for this. Wow, this looks good, isn't it? If you want to add some extra things, you can add. Okay. Oh. 1 second, I'll add an extra shape. That same thing. And there you go. Extra editing. Yeah, there you go. I'll make the text little down and there you go. Our logo. So we can either preview, save or download it. I'll download it for now. And once you download, your logo has been saved. And you can edit the logo. Even if your logo is finished, then you can download it in low-res or high-res. But high-res will have to pay $40 and low-res for free. PNG file format 200 pixel by 200 pixel. I'll go for that. Your logo will be either you can either free logo will be sent through mail. You can also either download it from mail or automatically it will be downloaded in your files. You will get it in your files once it downloads. So I'll download my logo. You can also create a website. Like, subscribe and share to people who want to make a logo. Bye. See you in my next video.